Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the top left corner over here and add alarm at the bottom left corner. Then set up an hour, and when you're done, pick days of the week by tapping at the chosen ones. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, click OK and tap on snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and tap OK to save your changes. Lastly, click on alarm sounds and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking at the chosen one and tapping OK. But you can also click on alarm sounds, choose add alarm and pick music from your device. But I don't have any, so I will just go back and save my alarm by clicking on confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off by clicking at the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, just tap at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!